Hi, I'm Angela, an entrepreneur, a beauty queen, model, and mother. And my passion is to empower you to shine. So let's get the magic started. I love unboxings, but I love sharing my precious treasures and baubles with you even more. So I'm gonna get the ball rolling from the best purchase. And what is it? Ta-da! If you saw my previous video on my wish list for 2024, you will know that one of the places that I would love to travel to, I did mention, was Turkey. And these baubles were purchased from Antalya, Turkey. It was such a beautiful place, and now I'm gonna share with you what I bought from these treasures of Turkey. Okay, oops, okay, kind of went upside down. Okay, so I got, okay, these are called Zultanite. Let's see if it focuses. Okay. Okay. And they are precious stones from Turkey. Here's a quick introduction on Zultanite, okay? The Zultanite gemstone changes color under different lighting and only comes from one deposit in Turkey, okay? When you first see its beauty, you may wonder, is Zultanite a real gemstone? Yes, Zultanite is real, naturally occurring gemstone. Is it a rare gem? Extremely rare, one of the rarest minerals on Earth. Not only does it come from one country, but it also only forms in a small portion of the Anatolian mountains. This beauty here, the Zultanite, it's in gold, 14K gold, okay, and it's teardrop. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 teardrops, and in between you can see also like little butterflies. Okay, I love butterflies. I'm actually afraid of butterflies because I'm afraid of all flying insects, okay, but I love drawing butterflies and having butterflies in my jewelry or in my fashion. Okay, so beautiful. Now I'm gonna wear it for you to have a look. So this is what it looks like on. It was actually a design that my husband spotted at the jewelry store, and I immediately fell in love with it. And I actually wanted 18K gold because I prefer to buy better quality grade of gold, but the whole collection only came in 14K gold. So I guess it's, it's okay because this piece will never leave my collection. So yeah, and the Zultanite stone, the total carat weight is 17.5 carat, okay? And while we were there shopping, I couldn't leave the store without a gift for both our daughters. Yeah, and I also got them little Zultanite gifts, pieces that they can remember when, heirloom pieces that they can remember that Mama and Papa bought for them. So this one, you can see the Zultanite, okay? They're like little drop earrings. I'll just remove that for you so you can have a look. See? Yeah? Little drop earrings. And you can actually just, loop it into your ear like that. Okay, and you can adjust it. You want it long, medium, shorter, or even longer. It's up to you. So pretty, right? So each of our daughters got a pair of earrings. This one has the hearts, and this one has the, you can see it's the triangle. Okay, Pardon me, it's actually a diamond, not a triangle. I get it all mixed up. So it's also in 14K gold, and the Zultanite stone, the carat weight for both of them is 1.35 carats. Yeah, and that was such a good shopping expedition on top of a beautiful trip. I do recommend any one of you who would wish to go to Antalya, please do. So many beautiful historic sites and pretty places to visit. And I'm very grateful. This necklace is actually my 50th birthday present. Yes, I am 50. And I love it. It's a unique piece and it's a genuine gem. Beware, in Turkey there are quite a lot of I don't like to say it, but imitation Zultanites in the market, so just do your research. Now we're on to the next unboxing. Ta-da! Okay, if you've seen my jewelry videos, you will know that Lazard is actually a jewelry store here in Saudi Arabia. Yes, I'm currently residing in Saudi Arabia. I travel between the Middle East and Asia. And I recently came across this earring, just a throwback to viewers who do not know. I am collecting unique jewelry pieces from around the world, but especially the Middle East, to add to my jewelry collection that I already have. And I came across this earring. The box, okay, and it kind of caught my eye. I tend not to wear lots of big earrings unless it's for an event or a glam event where I dress up. Then I will wear my big jewelry with diamonds, pearls, colored stones, whatever. I do love to collect them all. And I'm into rose gold at the moment, so I was looking for a little rose gold earring, and ta-da! I saw this on Lazard and I absolutely loved it. Okay, it's so pretty, and I am just gonna put it on here, and it'll be like an everyday jewelry for me to just wear and not worry about losing. I have lost earrings before, and I tell you, the heart aches, especially when they're genuine gold and diamonds. Yeah. See, do you like it? Are you enjoying my jewelry videos and the collection that I've accumulated? This earring is in 18K rose gold, and the diamond weight is 0.140. All right, so yeah, these are my diamond purchases, and Zultanite, and so happy. And another wish list that I've wanted to get since January. I was in Dubai and I went to the Chanel boutique. I love Chanel Beauty, by the way, on top of Chanel vintage bags and pre-loved bags. And okay, let's just see what's in here while I tell the story. So I was at Chanel Beauty and I bought this, okay? It was a new product, and it was the Chanel, it was the lip and cheek balm. So this was in ardent brick. I loved it so much. When I came back here to Saudi, I wanted to order it, but it was out of stock for the longest time. Imagine, January and it's now May. I just recently got it in the end of April. And okay, let's have a look. such a big box. My product's actually swimming in it. Alright, where is it? Yeah, here you go. And yeah, so I got myself another lip and cheek stain, balm, and this is in Lively Rosewood. Trust me, they are a must-have in your beauty, you know, skincare, beauty or skincare. It's under the skincare range, but to me it's beauty really. You know, and you must have it in your collection, okay? Why? Because on no makeup days, you just add it onto your cheek and your lips and you're ready to go. Smack on the sunblock, the lip and cheek balm, and you're ready to go. It's like a 2-in-1. And sometimes I even just put it a bit on my eyelids, a little bit here, just for a little bit like a rosy hue. So hands up, leave me in a comment down below if you are like me and you love collecting luxury beauty boxes or any kind of luxury boxes. I like to recycle them. I use them for my wardrobe as organizers, and I also keep them to my daughters. And what did I do? So what did I do? I'm like, one small product, one big box. I think it's a pretty good deal, right? In Singapore, there's no way you spend, you know, just 200 over SARS, which is about probably $70, $80 Sing, and you get this big box. I spent 500 Sing and I got this tiny box. I mean, look at the difference. So anyway, I placed another order just to experiment, and again it came in this huge box, and I was like, wow, so good, so good. Let me know, I mean, in your country, in your region, do they send such a big box with just one small item? What did I get here? I got the lip gloss. Okay, this is the new collection, the lip gloss, I think. I wanted to give it a try because it has this golden hue, and I thought, you know, I can just dabble it on my, you know, lips for a little bit shine in the evening. And I was thinking, like, I could even like just put it on, you know, on here on no makeup days, and perhaps it might even give me like a glossy glow. I'm not sure because I already have like highlighter on, but I was thinking of doing that as well because I do use my lip balm sometimes, just, you know, or Vaseline, just to highlight the cheekbones. I love highlighting my cheekbones and, you know, having a little bit more like oomph to it. So yeah, there you go. I'm going to experiment again with Chanel to see, because I have a few items in my wish list there, and I'm just gonna do one purchase at a time to see if this trend keeps continuing, because, you know, I can collect the boxes and I can give them to my 2 daughters and they can use it for their walk-in robes where they live. And instead of buying, I'm actually, you know, getting it with my purchases. So that's a win-win for everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am looking forward to the next unboxing. I am trying to be more sustainable and not to consume too many items every month. Be a little bit more intentional with my purchases. I admit it, I am a shopaholic, but you know, I love shopping, retail therapy. Sometimes I buy things, sometimes I don't, but I love going, you know, shopping in the malls or even online. If you're like me, give me a thumbs up. Support your lady, your girl here, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so now I'm looking for sustainable makeup, sustainable fashion, and ways on how I can recycle and reuse products and packaging. So to my next video, take care and happy weekend. Bye.